Better guys.
Hey, Alex, Gary, Colleen, how you doing today?
Hey, how you doing, Gary?
I'm doing all right. Yes, sir, I was just letting you know, I have 51 cores. Did you want me to wait till I get a complete pallet, or did you want me to send what I have?
You got, how many cores you got?
51.
Yeah, you need, cause each battery, you know what I'm saying, is with a core, or is a core fee. So you got 51 right now. You need a total of, you need 15 more then, 15 more cores, cause we owed you one battery, so you need 15 more cores. Hold on for 1 second.
Okay,
Let me see how I'm looking on your order. Let me put you on hold for 1 second.
We're working on
All right,
it.
so ain't gonna be ready this week. Be ready about next week then, right? Probably about next week.
Probably not this week, no.
Yeah, okay. Hey, Gary.
yes, sir.
Oh yeah, so I mean it's cool. I mean probably you think you probably can have them by the end of next week then?
Yes, I should have them by Friday.
Okay,
I should have them by Friday. I'm pushing for Friday.
Okay, sure, that sounds good because right now we're working on a whole bunch of orders and yours as well too. So it's yours be ready to go out next week. So it'll be perfect. There's no rush.
Really just trying to get the H
so
batteries.
my pallet's still going out Friday or
No, no. It'll be next week. It'll be next week it'll go out.
no? Okay. Next week. Okay.
Yep.
And I think my boss was telling me he had a problem with the ACH.
Yeah. This time we basically just send a check.
In the mail?
Yep, in the mail be good. Yep. Yeah, I send your invoice.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, I send your invoice.
Yes, sir. 10-4. Thank you, sir. And next week, approximately about Friday next week?
Yep. Definitely.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you. I'll have you guys there. I'll keep it coming.
All right. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Hey, how's it going, man?
Pretty good. How you doing,
I
sir?
was calling to see about, doing pretty good. I was calling to see about batteries for a 2004 Toyota Camry.
Okay. All right. We got that battery in stock for you. Showing that our competitors have it on their site for like about $200. We actually can save you $100 on it. We got it in stock for you for $80 plus tax, turning with the old core with a 1-year warranty.
Okay, so you said $80 as long as I give you the old cord and everything?
Yeah, with tax it's showing 91. It's showing with tax out the door be $91 total, sir.
Okay, man. Where you guys at on? I'm a little familiar with Pensacola. I live over on the other side of the bridge, but
Yeah,
where you guys at over there?
we're located at 3535 West Fairfield Drive, the corner of Hollywood and Fairfield.
Okay, so you're right there and near where Hollywood and Fairfield cross.
Red the light, you can't miss us. That's correct, yes, sir.
Okay, all right. I appreciate that, man. And you got that battery in stock?
Yes, sir, we do. We got it in stock for you. We close at 5 o'clock as
Okay,
well.
all right, thanks.
We close at 5 o'clock.
Okay, all right. Thank you. I appreciate that.
All right. How did you hear about
All
us?
right, bye. Actually, I looked it up. I was just looking I looked up online on Google. It was like, and I saw several different ones that were battery shops. And
Okay.
So I gave you guys a call.
All right. Come by and see us, buddy.
So, all right, yes, sir. And what's your name?
My name is Al.
All right, Al. All right, my name's Valley. All right, thanks, sir.
All right. Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye.